Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in this video I'm going to show you the engulfing strategy that I use. So hopefully you remember from the last video when I said that I trade on the H4 time frame when I'm using the engulfing candles because it gives you more volatility and the strength of the trend is much stronger on the 4-hour time frame. So it's very simple, and all I do is just wait for an engulfing candle to form, then I'd get an alert on my MetaTrader or it's sent to my phone, and then I'll just come and I decide if I'm going to enter the trade or not. And I also decide if I need to use my filter or not, okay? So in today's example, we're taking a look at the CAD JPY chart, and we're going to look at the engulfing candles that have printed on this chart here, and I'm also going to show you how I would trade them, okay? Now, I've been trading CAD JPY all week, and that's why you see the past history of the trades here. And I'm also going to load up my trade manager here on this chart. Now, once I have my trade manager ready, then I'll just go on the chart and take a look at the candles that have printed. Now if we look over to this side, we can see that the most recent candles, we have both bearish and bullish candles here. And so if we want to know which ones to really focus on, that's very easy. All we have to do is go ahead and turn on the filter. And with the filter turned on, we can now see that the bearish candles have disappeared, leaving only the bullish ones here. So we know this is the one we should be focusing on. And so we see this is an uptrend happening right now and the market is pushing up, okay? And so what do you do whenever you see an engulfing candle? Now it's very important when you see an engulfing candle and when you get an alert, it's okay for you to enter the trade, but your stop loss is the most important thing here. So where do you put your stop loss and where do you aim? Now typically I like to have a stop loss that is below or above the engulfing candle. So for example, I know that we're in a bullish market, so I'm looking to enter and buy. So let me just go ahead and add my stop loss here. Let's say I put it at 30 pips, and let me calculate and hit the buy. So here we have our trade manager displayed on our chart. So this is just for demonstration purposes, but if I was to enter this particular trade, I would like to make sure that my stop loss is below the engulfing candlestick here. So we can see we have it below it in this case. So we want to keep it below the engulfing candlestick here just for safety. And if I'm buying in a particular direction, I want to make sure that my target is at least a 1 to 2. So for example, if I'm risking $210 with a 31 pip stop loss, then I'm going to try and see if I can make the target go up here to approximately 420. Let me see here. Okay, roughly thereabout, and we can see it's a 1 to 2 risk ratio, okay? So that is my simple strategy, guys, when I'm trading with engulfing candles. So it's very important to have mathematical probability on your side because you want to have an entry where if you lose 5 times, you can still be profitable. And for us traders, a 1 to 2 reward ratio is great, or a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio is even better, because that way you're only risking, for example, $1 to make $3, or you're only risking $10 to make $30, or $100 to make $300, okay? So that is my very simple engulfing candle strategy. So just try to keep price action trading as simple as possible and you will be successful as a trader. And remember, the link to download the engulfing candle indicator is in the description of this video, and I'm also going to put the link for our market keys trade manager as well, because it makes managing trades and putting your stop loss and risk reward so much easier. Okay guys, so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.